Hey guys, figured I'd look around, check the old garden. Looks like the northern bedstraw likes it here. I think we found a new spot. Looks like we got some rhubarb. I'll have to learn to make some rhubarb strawberry jam or something. And some strawberry plants popping up. I need to clean out their little bed. But we have strawberry plants. This is what I'm excited about. There's probably 15 onion plants in this trough. They're looking good. I'll take the fence off eventually, but squirrels and birds like to get in this stuff. Look at our overwintering onions, I'm so proud. And of course, we're going to end on a mullein plant found. I will harvest some of these leaves soon. No one's been around it. Thank you all for watching, for all your love and support, and more later.